Have you ever had moments where everything seemed to be going wrong? You feel like nothing is working out and that you're stuck in a rut? It's easy to let negative thoughts and emotions take over, but what if we told you that there's a way to overcome these challenges and turn things around? The power of positivity and mindset is a game changer. By shifting your focus to the positive, you can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. When you focus on the positive, you attract more positivity into your life. Your thoughts create your reality, and by practicing positive thinking, you can create a life full of joy, abundance, and success. It's not always easy to stay positive, but it's worth the effort. By making positivity a habit, you can rewire your brain to think positively and overcome any challenge that comes your way. Choose positivity and mindset today, and watch your life transform before your very eyes. There are many ways to cultivate positivity and mindset. By finding activities that bring you joy and peace, you can train your brain to focus on the positive and stay motivated even during challenging times. When you visualize your goals and dreams, you create a roadmap for success. By focusing on the end result, you can stay motivated and take action towards achieving your dreams. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment. When you focus on the present, you let go of worries about the past or future and stay centered in the here and now. This can help you reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Remember, the power of positivity and mindset is within your reach. Choose to focus on the positive and watch your life transform. Don't let negative thoughts and emotions hold you back. Instead, choose to cultivate positivity and mindset and create a life that's filled with joy, abundance, and success. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. Remember, you have the power to cultivate positivity and mindset in your life. It all starts with a choice. Choose positivity, choose success, and watch your life transform. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivational videos like this one. Let's stay connected and work towards our goals together. Thank you for watching.